Hello everyone. Basically, right now we're gonna talk about rational, you get the word, um, ration, ras, rational, rationalizing the denominator. Basically, before we start, what you have to know are these mini rules. Basically the square root x, y, like these two together, that's equal to x and like y. And this basically, like, this is written very dumb, but basically, like, think of it as a one number. So like, one thing. So for example, 10, like square rooted, is equal to 5, and 2, because these times each other give us 10. So that's kind of the rule. And the second thing you should know is that, I mean, we're not going to use it as kind of much, but like, I basically kind of the similar thing where this is equal. So let's start. The first question is basically going to be like the introduction of how to do it. So we can't have the square root as a denominator, and how we get rid of it is very easy. Basically, we just times it by the two, like whatever is here, we times it, like not all the time whatever it is, but most of the time, yeah, whatever it is, we times, yeah. So whatever is the denominator, we times like this, right? So that equals 6 squared 2, and that's fine. That's genuinely fine. And then square root times square root, well, that is square rooted 4. And square rooted 4 is basically, so this just basically equals 2, because 2 times 2 is 4. And like, you basically square root the 4 and it's a 2. Then we divide this by 2. So how much 2's are in a 6? 3. And then this doesn't affect it. Not because it's a 2 and it's a 2, it just doesn't affect it. We we ignore it. And how much 2's is in a 2? It's a 1, so we don't even have to add it, so that's the final answer. Next question is, so 3 square 2 10 square rooted. Okay, let me write this a bit more neater. Square root of 10. So in this case, we just times again by 10. And that equals 3. Oh no, wait, sorry. Basically, since if we times it, it's going to be much more harder, there's an easy way. So remember what we did here? We're doing it right here, right now. We're going to do it. So basically, we get this as 5 and a square 2, right? So basically it will equal 3 square root of 2 rooted 5 square root of 2, and then the 2 can cancel out, so we get 3 5. Then we times by 5 square rooted, so 25, which equals 5. So that final answer is going to be this. So that's going to be the final answer for this. And then next question is 9 square rooted 12 2 square rooted 18. Well, this time, look, in this case we can do like I guess like expand them this way, both of them, because they're both a big number. So we can expand. I'm just thinking how to do this. Yep, like this. We can do it basically 9 square rooted 6 square rooted 2, because that, oh, here, rooted 2, because that equals 12. And then 2 square rooted 9 square rooted 2. The 2 cancels, then we're left with this. And if we, like this, square root of 9 is a 3, so 3 times 2 is going to be 6. So Okay, look, right now I'm using a different method, the one that I just did. And, oh, it's already confusing. Okay, that equals a 3, so we get 6. 3. So we get 9 square rooted 6 and 6. Hmm. I mean, if you think about it, instead of doing, oh wait, could you do that? Wait, okay, for some reason this method is not working, so we're just gonna do the method that I was like looking at the video at. Basically, the woman, she made 12 square root 4 and square root 3, and then she did the same like 2, and after that this is equal to 2, so she times it by 9, and that was 18 squared. 3 left, and then this is equal to 3, so she made 6, and then the 2 reminded, and she times it by square root of 2, and after that all this, this is what it became, and the final answer, because like division, it was 3 6 over 2. So yeah, okay, because it became a mess, I'm just gonna delete all of it, and then yeah, just okay, back to business. So one of like the hard question, I guess, was this, and you just do the same thing, you times the whole thing, but this time you change the sign when you're times it. So 2 plus 3 over 2 plus 3, so 1 times this equals the same thing. Then 2 times 2 is 4, then 2 times this is plus 2 thirds, and then this times this is negative 2 thirds, and then this times this is, so when you do this, it's equal to negative 3. The brackets, they disappear basically. So, and as you can see, these two, there's a positive and there's the negative, and they're exactly the same, so we can just cancel these out. And then we're left with 2 plus square root 3, and then these minus 1, and that doesn't matter, so this is the final answer. Okay, I wanted to make it like, looking good, but yeah, I'll try next time right now. Then if it's like this, you basically do the opposite. You do 3 take away 5 take away minus 5, and it's the same thing, so I don't want to go through it because I don't really want to, like, yeah. But basically the most hardcore question was 2 6 plus 3 squared to this, and basically what you do is you times this whole thing by basically, let me show you. So this times this is going to be like, no wait, so this times this, 2 times 2 4, or your, so 4, then square root 3 times square root is square root 18, then times this plus 6 because these two, and then times 6. Oh wait, what? How did it become a negative? Oh, sorry, I made a very, very, very bad mistake. Basically, this is a negative. Sorry. So this is not going to be a plus, this is going to be a negative. Yep. And after, here's the long part. So 2 times 2, 4. No, not even like that. This is the same thing. It's like, think of it as a term and you have to times the terms. So this term by this term. So at this point you can do it like this: 2 times 2, 4, and then square root of 24, and 24 is equal to what was equal to 6. Wait, what is that? No, it's not equal to 6. So where did they get? Oh my god, I am sorry guys. This times this is 36, my bad. I have to change that in my notebook. So, wait, where is it? Where's it written? Oh no, I haven't yet. No. So basically, the reason I got confused is because this is equal to 6, so I times them straight. You times them straight away. So instead of this thing, you just can put 24, because 4 times 6 is 24. Okay, so after this term by this term, so negative 6, and then square root 12. Then this times this is oh yeah. This times this is 6 positive, and square rooted 12. Then this times this is negative 9 square rooted 4. The square root of 2, right? Yeah. So times that by that's going to be negative 9. And then, yeah, got you. And then this is equal to 2, so we can just replace it with 18, negative 18, because 9 times 2 is negative 18. After that, these two can just cancel out. So what we have left, like to make it cleaner, and then these two minus each other is going to be, that is 6. And then with that 18, because we can simplify, we are able to simplify it even more. We're able to make this basically this, and this is equal to 3, so we times 4 times 3, so we get 12 square root of 2 left, negative 6 square root of 6 divided by 6, and look, this is 6, this can be divided by 6, and this can be divided by 6, and these don't get touched. So 2 square root of 2, take away 1, but because 1 is times by this, so it doesn't matter, you can just put this divided by 1, so it doesn't matter, so this is the final answer. Oops. Thank you, goodbye.